Hi, my name is Melissa and I'm part of the marketing team here at Irco Automation. Today we want to talk to you about weld cameras, the benefits, a little bit about how they can be used, and show you a few examples. If you're ready, let's get started. The use of cameras in welding to monitor the weld process isn't new to us. We've been integrating them for years onto our systems, but we've never actually taken the time to really talk about weld cameras. All of the welding automation systems you'll see in this video have Xyris cameras integrated onto them. Depending on your welding process, there's different cameras, models, and setups that you might choose. On this linear robot, for example, you'll see the camera is mounted on the weld head. This camera model has a remote focus and built-in LED to assist with setup and automatically switches to weld mode once the arc starts. The live video feed is viewed at the linear robot's movable control station. Let's start talking about some of the benefits of integrating a weld camera to your welding system. In this video, we'll review 4 specific benefits. First, health and safety. As with any weld process, but in our case with automated welding systems, it's important for operators to be able to see all of the elements of the environment around a weld. In some cases, an automatic welding environment can be too dangerous or congested for an operator to go in close enough to directly monitor the weld process. Weld cameras address these immediate safety concerns by allowing the operator to remotely view and monitor the weld process as it's happening. The second benefit, weld monitoring. Weld cameras provide operators a clear and defined view of the weld wire and its surrounding area, allowing a variety of parameters to be monitored. These parameters could include ensuring that the weld wire is in the weld joint, monitoring the size of the arc, or the condition of the weld pool. Being able to identify specific parameters using the camera prior to welding allows for reduced setup time and from one place rather than having to get up and go back and forth. Also, being able to identify anything that's maybe a little off before the weld gets too far allows the operator to interrupt the weld process and reduces potential rework. The third benefit, runtime and operational productivity. In the example of our linear robot design from earlier, the automatic laser seam tracking system makes adjustments based on the changes in the weld path that it senses. However, in weld processes that do not have seam tracking, weld cameras provide real-time monitoring so the operator can make adjustments as needed to help minimize bad welds and rework. Being able to monitor the weld process remotely as it's happening means the operator doesn't need to stop the system to check and then restart it again. The fourth benefit we'll look at today is video recording. For some of our customers, one of the most important benefits of weld cameras is their ability to record and capture live video of the welding operation. This means the weld process can be recorded, stored, and reviewed offline, even on a different device. Recording can be an essential step for process verification and improvement. Often, our customers like to have the ability to play back their weld video in slow motion for process analysis. Weld cameras allow for far more detail to be monitored in the welding process than ever before. If you're looking to improve your welding process, it's worth consideration. In many of our solutions, integrating a camera is one of the quickest and easiest decisions to make, as the benefits range from improved safety, real-time adjustments, or offline weld reviews. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're interested in learning more about some of Irco's other solutions, please visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.ircoautomation.com.